Welcome to homework.
So for this question, David James is a cost accountant and business analyst for Doorknob Design Company that manufactures expensive brass doorknobs. Now, DDC uses two direct cost categories: direct material and direct manufacturing labor, and James feels that the manufacturing overhead is most closely related to material usage. So they allocate manufacturing overhead to production based upon the pounds of material used. Now, at the beginning of 2012, DDC budgeted annual production of 400 doorknobs and adopted the following standards of doorknobs. So, number one, it says for the month of April, compute the following variance variances indicating whether each is favorable or unfavorable. So, the first is direct materials price variances based on the purchase. And we're to tell whether it's favorable or unfavorable. Direct material price variance based on purchase. So this is equal to the statistical price minus the stated rate minus the actual rate, actual rate multiplied by actual quantity, and this is equal to 20 minus 22 from the table multiplied by 50,000, and therefore this is equal to 100,000, and it is unfavorable because it is minus. Now the second question is the direct materials efficiency variable. For this one, this is equal to the standard quantity minus the actual actual quantity multiplied by standard price, and this is equal to 47,500 from the question minus 45,000 multiplied by 20. So the direct material efficiency variance will be equals to 50,000, and this is favorable. It's in the positive. Now the next one is the direct manufacturing labor price variance. Now the formula for this is the standard rate minus the actual rate multiplied by the actual hours. So this is equal to 30 minus 30 minus 32.5 multiplied by 20,000, and this is equals to 50. Because of the negative sign, it's 50,000 and it's unfavorable. Now moving on to the next one, the direct manufacturing labor efficiency variance. So this is equal to the standard hours minus the actual hours multiplied by standard rates. So this is equal to 23,750 minus 20,000 multiplied by 30. And direct manufacturing labor efficiency variance is equal to 112,500, and it is favorable. Now the next one is the variable manufacturing overhead spending variance. Variable manufacturing overhead spending variance. So the formula for this will be 10 minus 8.88 multiplied by 45,000, and this is equals to 50,400, and it is favorable. Now the next one is variable manufacturing overhead efficiency variance. And this is equal to 47,500 minus 45,000 multiplied by 10. So we'll have 25,000, and it is favorable. Now the next one is production to volume variance. And to find this one will be 47,500 minus 45,000 multiplied by 5, and this is equals to 12,500, and it is favorable. The last one is the fixed manufacturing overhead spending variance. And this is equal to 5 minus 7.78 multiplied by 45,000, and this is equal to 125,000, and it is unfavorable. Now the second part of the question, can James use any of the variances to help explain any of the other variances and give examples? So the answer will be yes, James can use the variances to explain. Can use all the variances to explain other variances as well. That's the answer.